One of their meetings, we organized, and I had exactly kind of plans they had. You know, so even our people who brought out themselves and want to have association. There's nothing wrong with convention. I mean, convention is not. I had a hall. This was discussed at the meeting. Everybody, the whole house, gave their approval for it to go ahead, but it didn't happen. So why didn't it happen? We're hearing now that the committee actually did some work. So why did it not happen?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, good evening. How are you? Good. There's only ice cream here.
Oh, on this one. Will they just, is there any cocktail sticks for this one?
Our women are.
Stay close to me, you have the one for
Yes.
You understand? Forget us.
Have this one. Who wants orange? Who is Chairman? Chairman, baby. You want orange? Orange, yeah? What do you want, darling? Orange or this one? That one, orange, yeah?
When we came in, there was no
but those people we talk about did not allow the evil people to bring down their life.
Mind yourself.
I know, 7
Now item 7. Food.
No, the executive wanted to do that, but it was very rowdy.
No, I was asked to do it later.
So much, yes.
Everything.
Spent a lot.
And
Suya.
Who's the
But that's the way it should be.
Yes.
You make that sacrifice in a couple of years for your people. No way!
On behalf of the executive, we just want to say thank you for the host, and then especially for thank you very much for volunteering to host us at your place. Ni bende na nko fuonye for egwanga. Nobody know nyabana na di niba. But just to foster unity and love and everything. And the back containers and I can be happy. Yes. Thank you very much,
Guys, right? Casey, yes. I saw there were some moves Arsenal was moving today. That's right. And I think it's fantastic. But being innovative, right? If you're not in the meta, the challenge for you is to be broadcasting it to the Louisians in the whole world.